What is up, guys? I'm back with another video, and there's some people that can do this. I know if you want to click this out, like if you want to click this out, you can if you want to. But this is a trick that I can do. It's called the burping trick. So I can burp 10 times. Like, watch this. 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8 or 9, 10. And I'm just gonna do another one just to demonstrate again. I know this is gonna be a quick video about how to do it, but like not how to do it, but you know, like to show you this trick. But I'm just gonna do like 2 more tens. So and then I'll be done with this video. So let's go. Okay. So that's all I can do. If you guys want me to do another video, link down in the comments, and I'll see if I can do another one. Bye.